Okay, Fred, what is your assessment of the Danish performance in these two matches against Great Britain?
Well, I think a lot of positive things happening in the 8 sets that we played. I think one of the things we learned is that we have a lot of guys that are capable of playing good volleyball, and that's nice that we're not relying on 5 or 6 or 7 players. So that's a very nice thing I think we found out. And I really think that we can be good in a lot of different parts of our game. How we play after the serve, that phase, and how we play after the side out. After we receive the serve, I think we can be very effective. Some of the guys have really made some great improvements since last season. Axel's a much improved player. Mats is a much improved player. Peter's a much improved player. And a lot of the guys that, other guys as well. Forgot, up the whole group. And I was hoping that during these 2 matches that we would have some breakthroughs. We could gain some confidence. We could gain some momentum. And I think that the performance of Axel and Peter and Mats in these more leading roles and more important roles, I think they did a really nice job. That, and I think the group effort was very positive, and it's a nice foundation for us. I hope that we can build on it in the next 14 or 15 years.
And you were able to win all 8 sets, even playing most of the time without Christian Knudsen?
Yeah, fortunately, that happened, and it's a positive, I think, example that we have a lot of guys who are capable of playing good volleyball.
And what is the status on Christian?
Yeah, Christian, his first day of training was Friday, and he just finished his season maybe almost 2 weeks ago. Tours, and it takes a little time, I think, to get ready and get himself ready for matches and trainings. And the plan is to get him ready as fast as possible. He's a very important player for us. And look forward to having him with us for the next one.
So your general impression after these 2 matches, looking forward to the World Qualifier, is a positive one?
Yes, I think we found some parts of our game that were good, and some other parts I think we found out that we need to make better.
Okay. Any specific parts you want to mention?
I think maybe we can take more good swings when we serve. Figure out blocking defense and create more positive actions. And maybe some of the other things just take time to work out. The rhythm, the timing, the passes to the center, to the hips. That for sure is good, but